Hi, and welcome back to Logitech. I have something a little different today, and I'm excited to get into it. These are the Logitech G-Fits. These highly competent gaming earbuds feature LIGHTSPEED wireless, low-latency Bluetooth, and have tech built in that allows them to be custom molded to your ears. So let's get into it. It's important to mention the earbuds are UV sensitive until they've been fitted, so it's a good idea to wait to unbox until you're ready to get started with them. The first thing we're greeted with when we open the box is a card with a QR code prompting you to download the G-Fits app. This is not a step you want to skip, as this is necessary to cure the earbuds to the shape of your ears. Under that, we have the charging case, and here we have the G-Fits themselves, which we'll set aside for a moment. Under those, we have a small accessories box. Inside, we find a USB-C charging cable, a LIGHTSPEED dongle, and this USB-C adapter. This is killer because it allows connection to devices when you need the rapid response of LIGHTSPEED, and those devices have USB-C. Now for the main event. These are the G-Fits. These things are insane. Inside is both LIGHTSPEED and low-latency Bluetooth connectivity. You can game on so many devices with these. And with the custom LIGHTFORM fit blocking out noise around you, nothing will distract you from the game. With 7 hours of listening time plus 8 hours with the case on LIGHTSPEED and 9 hours plus 11 hours on Bluetooth, these buds have incredible battery life. When you're ready to set up the G-Fits, pop them in the case, and this will allow you to send them into pairing mode with this small button located on the top right of the case. After we press that and open our smartphone's Bluetooth pairing, we'll see them appear. Once connected, and after allowing the buds time to charge, you'll be ready to start the molding process with the G-Fits app. A couple of things to mention during the process. During the LIGHTFORM molding process, you'll feel the earbuds get fairly warm. This is a normal part of the curing process, so no need to be alarmed. The instructions on the app will walk you through the process of molding better than I can, so once you're ready for that step, go ahead and proceed. If you have any issues, we'll be here to help. I love the G-Fits. They're perfect for when I need a quiet moment or weekend between me and my games. The sound quality is awesome. The dual beamforming mics in each earbud are killer for voice chat or streaming, whatever you need. To connect via LIGHTSPEED, just tap either earbud 3 times and a tone will play, telling you you've switched modes. From there, be sure to check out our video on how to connect your LIGHTSPEED headset. To switch back to Bluetooth, it will be the same 3 taps on either earbud. You can also use a double tap on either bud to mute and unmute on LIGHTSPEED or play and pause on Bluetooth. I hope that answers any questions you have about what the G-Fits are, what they're good for, and what's in the box. Be sure to check out our Introduction to G-Hub video, and if you have any further questions or concerns, please reach out to us at our support site, linked in the description. Thank you for joining me, and I'll see you next time.